Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to clear local lens data in Snapchat on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device. So let's start. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat app. So here is my Snapchat app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on your Bitmoji at the top left. And you can see I have my profile page opened, and after that you have to tap on this gear icon, this settings at the top right, and I have this settings, this screen opened, and on this screen you have to come to this my account, this section, and in this section you have to tap on this lenses. So let me tap on this, and I have this lenses, this screen opened. And on this screen you have to come to this section local storage, and here we have this option clear local lens data, and here we have this message. Let's read that. Contains content and settings stored on this device. So in order to clear local lens data you have to tap on this clear local lens data. Let me tap on this, and I have this pop-up clear lens data. For some lenses, a small amount of data may be stored on your device. This will clear that data. So just tap on this clear this button. Let me tap on this. And here we have this message, local data cleared. So it's now done. After that, you can go back to your main screen. So let me go to that. So that's it. In this way, you can easily clear local lens data in Snapchat on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.